0 to 60 car videos here. Got the 2017 Ford Explorer. I'm going to show you how to do a cabin air filter change. I'm using the EcoGuard brand, and this happens to be the model XC26155. So first thing, of course, you're going to open up your glove box. And on the side here, you're going to see there's a little retainer with a string attached to it. Let me get this dash cam cord out of the way. You're going to lift up and pull that out, and it's going to suck itself back. Now after that, there's going to be, so these retainers right here and right here, you have to push these up and then pull the rest of the glove box down in order for it to release. All right, so on these, there's two clips. One's on the left side at the bottom, and one is on the right side at the bottom. And you just simply, it's kind of a tight fit. So you gotta get your finger in there and pull down for this housing to come off. Once that comes off, you'll be able to stick your fingers in here and pull this out. So that's pretty dirty. This doesn't look like it's ever been changed. As a matter of fact, I'm wondering if this 1/23/17 is the date that this was manufactured, and this is a 2017 truck, so that makes me think that that's an original unit. But anyway, this piece goes in just like this, making sure that the airflow is actually going up. And you may have to squeeze it a bit to get it in. Once you start it, it should slide right in.